Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the compare dataset node. So let's begin. To get it, you just go to the plus, write compare, and you will have it. Click on it, and we'll come back to this. So let's remove this. Of course, take a step back to see our humble code nodes. If we go into the first one, as you can see, I did a little script that gives us a dataset, a simple short dataset. Here it is. Same with the second one. It's close enough, but it has some differences. We'll get into them in a bit. So let's execute this workflow and go into our node. So if we go onto our node, we have a couple of things. Don't care about the output for now, just focus on this. First, we have the fields to compare with. So from input A, I chose the active field, and from input B, I chose the same. Of course, don't feel limited. You can add more fields to match as many as you want. So let's keep it to this one, and we move on to this. We have 4 options. This basically tells it what the truth is, what to match based on. If we choose input A version, for example, the input A version will treat it as the truth, the true outcome, and the comparison will be based on it. Same with B. If you use a mix of versions, so of course, again, we choose the truth, and you can add the fields that you want to not include. If we execute it, we get this output. This out gives us a couple of things. So in the same branch, which means the both outputs are the same, we get 2 things. We get Alice and Charlie. All right. So Alice and Charlie are present in both outputs. So if we go to the different branch, we get this. So it gives us the difference. We get the input A and input B IDs 1 and 2, the names Alice and Bob, and the role editor and admin. That's their difference. The same is the active status. And if we go to the B branch, we only got one match, which is Bob. So that's the compare datasets node. Of course, I use a simple dataset. It can be more complex. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.